fast. My thumb is... At 4 years old, I was driving an electric quad. Now I'm driving a real quad.
Yeah.
This is sick. Bro, I don't want to... I'm playing Mario Kart.
Need to go fire because this car is coming down.
Look at you! Woohoo! Let's go!
Here, stay straight.
I don't know.
There's John and Caden over here.
Wait, my thumb needs a little. Oh, my thumb hurts.
Your thumb hurts?
Yeah, okay. Ready? Okay, this is better.
Easy does it.
Alright, try to speed up here. Alright, yeah. I have the hang of it.
Some behind us if you stay in a straight line.
Okay. Oh, they're going like miles.
Okay. You're going fast too, don't worry about it.
I know. Is that Caden?
There they are over here.
Oh, yeah. I thought that was... I'm gonna follow them right behind. Let's go! Woo!
Watch the jet ski slow down. Okay, he has you. Go ahead, go ahead.
Hayden's doing it now. Okay, this is a little bit bumpy, so I'm not gonna go crazy. Look at Kate, he's going crazy. I won't do crazy. I'm not gonna kill you.
There's a horse over here.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a huge horse. Yeah, it's just this little manhole. Little manhole. What do I say? Drop. Look at all the quads. They're literally nearly all gone. I'm gonna catch up.